Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome to Sri Spoken English. This is Srinivas and this video lesson is 102. Before start this video lesson, I would like to say my heartfelt gratitudes to all the viewers and all our subscribers because you have given tremendous response for our previous video exercises in tenses. And now in this video lesson, I would like to discuss one more important English grammar topic, that is check your English grammar in articles. So friends, this video lesson is obviously useful for all competitive exams like AP TET and AP DSC and all other competitive exams like banking and police, some other exams. Yes, let us get started. We know articles are basically two types, definite article and indefinite article. Indefinite articles are a, an, and the is the definite article. We know very well basically articles are used before the countable nouns. Okay friends, yeah, let us get started. And in competitive exams we will have the question paper like this. Directions: fill the correct answers from the alternatives given. The first question: I have dash you, and everyone will confuse in the first question itself, and everyone prefer an is the right answer, but the right answer is A. So A is the right answer. Why? Because EWE pronunciation is not EU. This is pronounced U. So obviously this is semi-vowel sound. It is not vowel sound. Yeah sound. So I have a U. I have a U. U means a female sheep. Okay friends, once again you can check your dictionary and the pronunciation of the word also. Remember, articles should be used based on the pronunciation of the words. Yeah, we can move on to the second one. I have dash breakfast. So friends, let us move on to the second one. I have dash breakfast. I have a breakfast, or I have an breakfast, or I have the breakfast, or no article. Which is right answer? Obviously the correct answer is D, no article, because before the breakfast, lunch, dinner, such type of names of the foods, we should use no article. Okay, yes. Next we move on to the third one. One more important. Mr. John is dash European, and everyone will confuse here again. Mr. John is an European. Is it? No. The right answer is Mr. John is a European. Why? Why should we use a here? A అనేది ఎందుకు వాడాలండి? Because you can pronounce the word European. It is not European. It is European. So again the semi-vowel sound, sound. Okay. It looks like vowel letter. The word starts with vowel letter, but the pronunciation starts with consonant sound, so that we can prefer a European, a union, a uniform, like that. Don't confuse friends. Yes, we can move on to the fourth one. Tagore was dash great poet. Tagore was a great poet. Tagore was an great poet. Tagore was the great poet. Tagore was great poet. So which one is right answer? Obviously Tagore was a great poet. Right answer is A, because great we know very well, it is consonant sound. And third, next one, Mr. Sharma is dash university professor. Again, some confusion here. We get confusion here. Mr. Sharma is a university professor. Mr. Sharma is an university professor. Mr. Sharma is the university professor, or Mr. Sharma is university professor. No article. Which one is right answer, friends? Yes. And everybody will confuse and they prefer an here, but it is not right answer, because of course the university sounds the letters begins with U vowel letter. Obviously it is vowel letter, but the sounds, the pronunciation starts with ya, you. So A is the right answer. Mr. Sharma is a university professor. And next we can move on to the another question, friends. He was dash first man to arrive. He was a first man, and first man, the first man, no article. Which one is the right answer? He was the first man, because first is the ordinal number. First, second, third, these are the ordinal numbers. We have to use the definite article before the ordinal numbers. If it is Roman number like first or second, no article should be used. Okay, friends? Yeah. Next, we can move on to the fifth one. Dash gold is precious metal. Dash gold. A gold, and gold, the gold, or no article. Which one is the right answer, friends? A and D. So right answer is no article, because gold is a metal. Gold is a metal. So it takes no article. So we should not use any article before the metals. And next one, the same example we can take here. Dash gold ring is enough to express love. A gold ring, and gold ring, the gold ring, no article. And gold is, we know, it's a metal. So we should not use any article. No, we have to use here gold ring, not a gold. In the fifth sentence, sixth sentence, it looks like same, but here we are talking about the gold. Here we are talking about the gold ring. Okay, friends? Here we can consider as a thing here. So that a gold ring is enough to express love. That is the right answer. Yes, next we move on to the seventh one. I can speak in dash English. Is it a English, an English, the English, or no article? Which one is right answer? I can speak in no article. I can speak in English. That's it. We should not any article before languages. Okay, friends? Yeah, let us observe one more example here. Sarojini Naidu wrote dash English poem. Sarojini Naidu wrote dash English poem. And here English is about language, but here English poem. So A or an, which one is right answer? An English poem, because E, the English poem pronunciation begins with vowel sound. E, English poem. So an English poem. And the same question like ninth one, dash English ruled India 200 years. A English, an English, the English, or no article. Which one right answer? Right answer is C, the English, because if we add the before the any language, that means the people of the same kind language. The English means the English people. Okay, the English people ruled India 200 years. In the sense we can use here. And next we can move on to the 10th one. Yes, one more important. Santosh asked dash water. A water, and water, the water, or no article. Santosh asked dash water. Santosh asked water. So no article because in front of the yes uncountable nouns, before the uncountable nouns we should not use any article. And let us have one more look here. The same question with water. Dash water of Ganga is sacred, but here we are talking about water, and here we are talking about particular water of the Ganga river. So the water of Ganga is sacred. So the is the right answer. Yes, next we move to the 12th one. One more important, friends, and test your knowledge. He is dash MLA. He is a MLA. He is an MLA. He is the MLA or no article. Which one is right answer? Yes. Friends, don't be confused. This is not Ma, but here is abbreviation. And we have to pronounce M, A. So the pronunciation begins A. So obviously right answer an. He is an MLA. He is an MLA. He is an MBBS student. He is an MP. Like that we can use. And I have taken an LIC policy. LIC policy. L, A. So such type of abbreviations, before the abbreviation we can use an, like X, M, F, L, such type of abbreviations. Friends, we can move on to the same question, like the children are busy making Xmas tree. The children are busy making dash Xmas tree. A Xmas tree, an Xmas tree, the Xmas tree, or no article. Which one is right answer? Right answer is B, an Xmas tree, because the X begins with the vowel sound X, A. Okay, like 12th question. Yes, next we can move on to the 14th one. There is dash wooden bowl. There is a wooden bowl. There is an wooden bowl. There is the wooden bowl, or no article. Which one is right answer? Right answer obviously A. There is a wooden bowl, because wooden bowl, wa. This is not vowel sound. The va sound is another semi vowel sound. So it is obviously consonant sound. A is right answer. Next we can move on to the 15th one. She walked 2 and dash half kilometer. She walked 2 and dash half kilometer. Let us look options. She walked 2 and a half kilometer, an half kilometer, the half kilometer, or no article. Walk here fractions 2 and half. So 2 and a half. So obviously A is the right answer before the fractions of the number. And next one, Dash Tendulkar was best batsman in the world. A Tendulkar, and Tendulkar, the Tendulkar, or no article. Which one is right answer, friends? Obviously no article. Omission of article is most important in articles. In examinations, they will ask omission of articles, friends. Before a proper noun, we should not use any article. So right answer is D. And have look the same question like Prasad is dash Tendulkar in our team. Prasad is a Tendulkar, and Tendulkar, the Tendulkar, or no article. Prasad is the Tendulkar in our team. Why should we use the Tendulkar here? Because a proper noun compares with another proper noun. అంటే ఒక ప్రాపర్ నౌన్ని మరొక ప్రాపర్ నౌన్తో కంపేర్ చేసినప్పుడు ఖచ్చితంగా మనం ది అనేటువంటి ఆర్టికల్ని యూస్ చేస్తాం ఫ్రెండ్స్. డోంట్ గెట్ కన్ఫ్యూజ్డ్ హియర్. నెక్స్ట్ 18th వన్, ఐ హ్యావ్ డాష్ హెడేక్. చాలామంది పొరపడుతుంటారు ఇక్కడ ఏ ఆర్టికల్ ఉన్నదని. బట్ రైట్ ఆన్సర్ ఐ హ్యావ్ ఏ హెడేక్ ఆర్ ఐ హ్యావ్ ఎన్ హెడేక్. The right answer, I have a headache. A is the right answer because this is the consonant sound. This word begins with the consonant sound, a headache. For temporary diseases like headache, cough, throat sores, such type of temporary diseases, we can use a or an based on the sound. Next, we move on to the 19th one. He played dash flute. He played dash flute. A flute, an flute, the flute, or no article. And don't confuse here. In front of the musical instruments, we should use the is the right answer. Okay. He played the flute. He played the tabla. She played the violin. So we have to use in this way. In front of the musical instruments, we can use the. The same last question. I respect dash Patel's family. A Patel's family and Patel's family, the Patel's family are no article. Which one is right answer? I respect the Patel's family. In front of the surnames of prestigious families in our country or society, we should use definite article, the Patel's family, the Nehru's family, the Gandhiji's family. So like that we should use. So friends, check all these answers and how much your score. Please comment in the comment section. How many marks did you get out of 20 bits? Don't forget and please comment in the comment section. I will suggest you if you have any more doubts. So thank you very much. I wish you all the best. And if you like my effort, please hit the like button. Please subscribe our channel for more latest videos. Thank you very much and catch you later with another interesting video.